The world is a college of corporations, inexorably determined by the immutable bylaws of business.
It is the international system of currency which determines the totality of life on this planet. That is the natural order of things today.
Photo hot, money shot, life is like a gunshot. Soul leaves the body to rot, pull it back like a rewind. No hope for mankind, it's already been signed. Secret symbologies hidden amongst the signs. All you can do is sigh, you take truth as lies. Lies you accept without proof. When you reach for the sky, your head hits the roof. That's why we spit obscenity from the booth, aiming at each other, pass a shot. We don't care if we hit our brothers. Tears drops of 7 billion mothers as we slay down, forever sleep. Tears run down faces as the world weeps. Secretively in the shadows I creep, looking for a way out. Every step makes me doubt, wonder what it'd be like without. Would it be empty or would it be the same just without me? No charge, no fee, in a world with no money. Hug your honey, hold on tight, don't let go. Don't show fear, anger and hate. Feel love and feel how it's great, or feel the prison incarcerate. The walls are closing in this life, we gotta sin to get somewhere. We all wanna win, so we stab our own kin to get a raise. Money life is just a phase, you can get lost like a maze, feeling bemused and amazed. And if life is a stage, I was left behind like Nicolas Cage in a world that's black and white. Give me 50 shades of grey, the master's a predator, but we all the prey. So we drink fight, get nicked for a fray. Sell your shit to cash conveyor on a layaway. Back the fuck up, just get away.
That is the atomic and subatomic and galactic structure of things today. And you have meddled with the primal forces of nature.
The rubber on the tires burn, it's your chance to take your turn. The cogs in the machine just churn, round and round, spinning in accordance. Down to the beat, show obedience. In a world with brainwashing in abundance, they hypnotize the audience. Back and forth, just watch the pendulum swing. Left to right to left, go buy some bling. Some clothes, a house, a car. Come on, just buy something. It's been 10 minutes since your last buy. Come on, the banker's pocket's getting dry. Mr. Politician, please stop telling all your lies. In a world where time just flies, but money evaporates, disappears right in front of the banker's eyes. Divide, conquer, separate, and we just can't tolerate. If you're beef, why should I retaliate? There'll be no winner, like a stalemate. Even when the plans are fail safe, I still fail to see the safe.
There are no nations, there are no peoples, there are no Russians, there are no Arabs, there are no third worlds, there is no West. There is only one holistic system of systems. One vast and immane, interwoven, interacting, multivariate, multinational dominion of dollars.
Truncheons and tasers, class A red lasers, changing levels like a crossfader. I move to the dark side like Vader. Pyramids and eyes, big brother, he watches from the skies. Military drones with cameras spy down on the population. No privacy anymore, it's just an invasion. Ballsy for limitations, human rights and liberty taken. Bedded with a lethal injection like Tukey. But I can't give up cause this shit's calling me like Pookie. But I just wanna sleep, holding the tears, I don't wanna weep. If you're calling I don't answer, don't leave a message, after the beep. I move on to the next body like a quantum leap.